Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix friend request not showing on Snapchat. Actually, it's very easy and quick, but you need to watch this video until the end so you won't skip any important steps. So first of all, you need to open your Snapchat application, and then if you face this problem, all you need to do is to click on your profile image button at the top left corner, then settings icon at the top right corner. Then you need to scroll down and find privacy controls section, and then click on the first option, clear data, and then click on the last option, clear cache, and then a gray button, clear. After clearing cache, you need to click on the OK button and then go to your App Store application or Google Play if you have Android smartphone. After that, you need to click on the search button and then type Snapchat here. After that, you need to click on the Snapchat and see if you have new updates available. After downloading the last version of this application, you need to go to your settings and then scroll down and find Snapchat here. After that, you need to make sure background app refresh is enabled. Then you need to go to your Snapchat application again, and after that your problem will be fixed. And that's how to fix friend request not showing on Snapchat. If you found this video useful, leave a like and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.